Hello guys, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, just yesterday one of my subscriber had posted something in LinkedIn. He was trying to search about my name in ChatGPT, and there were a lot of information that specifically came. But the main important thing that I really want to talk about is that how much true, correct information it has and how much wrong information it has specifically had. So I started searching today and I got a lot of results. So let's go ahead and have a look like how much data is true. I'll probably read and probably talk about it, but I'm also very much interested in the chat gpt was able to get the current information, recent information, with respect to like where I'm the co-founder and what all things I'm specifically doing. It also spoke about my YouTube channel. So let me just show you over here an idea about it. So I just searched for Krish Naik. So it said that Krish Naik is an Indian YouTuber and data science trainer who creates educational content, okay, on data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. He's based in Bangalore, okay, and has a YouTube channel where he has posted many tutorials related to data science programming. Krish Naik is also the co-founder of iNeuron, see, an online platform for data science courses and training. So he is highly respected in the data science community and all. So I asked more information. Tell me more about Krish Naik. Now here is where I was little bit not happy because this information is completely wrong. Most of the information over here is completely wrong. So here you can see Krish Naik is a self-taught data science trainer, mentor who has helped many people. Okay, this is fine. This is true. To learn, develop in this field of data science. He holds a bachelor degree in computer science and engineering from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. Okay, now this is purely wrong because I'm nowhere studied from. I'm not completed my engineering from NIT Surathkal, right? I've completed it from PDA College of Engineering. Hardly I think anybody has heard about it. It is a third tier college. Apart from that, more wrong information it has. I don't know from where it has picked up or how this specific model is trained with respect to my data. So Krish Naik started his career as a software engineer, worked with companies like Mindtree, Accenture, and HP. I have never worked with these three companies, first of all. I cleared interviews in Accenture. I've given corporate training in HP, but I have never worked over here. However, he has always been passionate about teaching, sharing his knowledge. In 2017, he started his YouTube channel, Krish Naik. Okay, education content on data science. This is fine. Krish Naik has become very popular among the data science enthusiasts, and he has over 1 million subscribers. This is also not true. Please make it 1 million, guys. Okay, I'm still stuck in around 7 lakh subscribers, which is really bad. So please make sure that you do it because the amount of values that I'm adding, you're not respecting that. So please make it 1 million. Let's target this year, okay? So which have helped thousand of people to learn data science and programming. This is absolutely true, right? He has created many online courses on platforms like Udemy and iNeuron.ai. I have never created any courses in Udemy. I've created all the courses in iNeuron.ai, okay? Or my YouTube channel. Krish Naik is known for his simple and easy understanding explanation of complex topics. This looks good. He has a unique teaching style that combines theory and practical information. He's also very active on social media. Yes, I am very active. In addition to his work as data science trainer, he is also consultant and work with many companies to help data-driven solution. He's a respected member of the data science community. Okay, remaining all are fine, but the major information, I've never studied my computer engineering from NIT Surathkal. No, I've never worked with these companies like Mindtree and all. I've never uploaded my course content in Udemy, at least. So these are some of the information, guys. So please make sure that you make it to 1 million subscriber. Chat GPT is also saying that I like this one, right? Only 1 million subscriber. Even though it is false, I want this to be true. So please make sure that you subscribe the channel. And yes, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.